How to fix Instagram story music not working. First of all, go to your app store. And the reason I'm taking you to App Store is because you just want to confirm if your Instagram is up to date or not. So you just gotta search up Instagram and check on this area if you got update right over here. For me it says open, but if it says update, just basically update your Instagram. After checking that, just go ahead and open Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, what you have to do is just go to your profile and then press on those three horizontal lines. Once you press on them, scroll down until you see the option of help. Just press on it and then press on report a problem and then press report problem without shaking. Now go ahead, don't include and continue. Now write them a problem or report that you cannot find a story, or your story music is not working. So like you could type anything and ask them politely to fix your problem. So hey team Instagram, my story music isn't working. Please fix it for me as soon as possible. Thanks. So you just gotta write something like that, and if you would like to, you could just basically post a screenshot to them to show how it's not working, and then you could just basically press send, and here you go. So you just gotta wait a day until it's fixed. So if it still doesn't not fixed and it's still not showing you, or the music feature is not working, so it has something to do with your region. So you just gotta wait until the region has been like fixed or anything. So yeah, this is how to fix Instagram story music not working. So yeah, that's it for this video.